Hey, my name is Evan, and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time that you're watching any of my videos, I would greatly appreciate it if you liked it, as well as hit the subscribe button if you're able to get some sort of value, because over in this video, I'm going to be showing you a few different ways and tips on how you're going to be able to travel for free once you're in whatever destination that you wanted to travel to. So be it that you're staying in a city, in a rural area, it doesn't really matter. You're going to be able to use these tips and virtually stay for free. And if you stick with me till the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you a secret code. And with that secret code, you're going to be able to download my free ebook on how to travel as well as get paid as well. How to travel for free as well as get paid to do so as well. Sorry for the little mess up on that one. But anyway, let's get right into it. So, the first tip that I have for traveling for free, and especially getting to know the local community, is with couch surfing. So, couch surfing is a great resource to stay with locals, meet travelers. Like that's their slogan. But I've used it to just have a place to stay for a couple nights in a brand new country, and it's a super cool resource to be able to use because you a lot of the time meet like-minded people that do this as well. So it's not really weird to be going somewhere where you're just kind of crashing in someone's place, and it's kind of like where it's like Airbnb or something like that, where it's almost catered to you, which is what Airbnb is kind of turning into. But with the couch surfing, you're able to interact with any locals that live in the neighborhoods, and it's almost like you have a free resource there as well to tell you where to go, what restaurants to see, what places to not go near, or anything like that. So I definitely recommend couch surfing if you are looking into just staying in some urban areas, especially for free, because it's honestly great. And once again, you meet like-minded people as well. So that's my first tip on being able to travel for free. My second one is with an organization called WOOF. And with WOOF, it stands for the Federation of WOOF Organizers. And what WOOF is a worldwide movement linking volunteers with organic farmers and growers to promote cultural and educational experiences based on trust and non-monetary exchange, thereby helping to build a sustainable global economy. So you're going to be staying on a farm. So this is more for the rural side. You're not going to be really be wolfing if you're going to be in the urban areas like main cities and stuff like that. This is more so for urban areas. So the first tip I kind of talked about, just being able to crash on someone's couch for free. Here it's volunteering. So you're going in order to get that free housing, you're going to have to volunteer some of your hours to be working on the farm. And and I greatly recommend this to anyone that's going to a new place in order to actually figure out how these a lot of these people, the majority of these people, they live in rural areas. So you get to see firsthand how they're able to survive, able to cultivate. As well with the WOOF program, you also meet a lot of like-minded people who found this program as well, and they're also there volunteering their time. So you meet a lot of like-minded people as well with woofing too. And do, 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 do. Going through here. Oh, there I am. I'm back on here. I'm trying this new program called Loom for the first time, so it's pretty neat for a screen recorder. So that's my first recommendation. But this is a free way to volunteer. The next one that I do recommend is with a for volunteering. So the first step was just staying on the couch for free. Second one is volunteering. So either with Woof, or this one is with Habitat for Humanity, which is a paid volunteer organization. So I did Habitat for Humanity about 6 years ago. I built a couple homes in rural Kenya, in a remote village, and it was an incredible opportunity. Something that I remembered for since then, as one of the highlights of my life. And it wasn't even just necessarily building the home; it was the whole process of getting money to go out onto the trip. So you learned a lot. I learned a lot about myself, about raising money and what the best approaches was to for charities and nonprofits in order to meet the required monetary input for Habitat for Humanity, for us to have all the resources and tools and pay for the labor for once we got over there. Because trust me, when you have never done anything like this, you've never built any homes and stuff, you're going to want people there that know what they're doing. So it was a lot of fun. It was a great opportunity to go out there and meet a whole bunch of local people as well. And this is the one that I would recommend for volunteering, is paid, because you get to learn a lot about sales and yourself and the whole process of raising money, which is an incredible gift, because if you're able to raise money, you're going to be extremely valued on the market later on in life. Like if you want to like fundraise for a nonprofit or fundraise for a profit, politician, like whatever, you're going to be extremely valuable on the market. So it's a great skill to have. And those are my first two tips. So first one is just couch surfing. Second one is with volunteering, either for free volunteering or paid volunteering. My last one is with affiliate marketing. And what affiliate marketing is, if you don't really know about it, is that you're essentially a person that would recommend, say, a place to stay, or you recommend an activity to try, and you get a little bit of a kickback for it. So that's what affiliate marketing is. And some of the best tools that I've used, and this is a great way to actually be able to get paid to travel too. And this is something that I just used on my recent trip to Barcelona, where all my hotels were free, all my ride sharing was free as well. And that was just strictly through affiliate marketing. And what you do is you go to some of these resources. For traveling, it's really good to use booking.com, hotels.com, or Airbnb as well. They have a great affiliate program. And you go into those affiliate programs, and then they give you your own affiliate link. And what you can do with that affiliate link is that you can share it with other people, create it as like a product or something like that, and then get a ton of people to use your affiliate link. Excuse me. And as soon as you're able to get people to use your affiliate link, then you get a kickback from these companies like booking.com, hotels.com, Airbnb, or whatnot. You get a kickback out of it. So those are my 3 tips on staying anywhere in the world for free. This last one was a bit of a paid one as well. So if you sign up for different programs, a lot of the times, especially with referrals or affiliate links, you get a good kickback out of it, as well as someone that actually uses the link than if you were to go to the website. So those are my 3 ways. First one is couch surfing. Second one is volunteering. Third one is with affiliate marketing, on how you can travel for free. And just because you stuck to the end of this video, I greatly appreciate that you guys did. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, because what I'm about to offer you right now is a free travel guide. I don't see myself on here anymore, so hopefully this is still screen recording. But this is a free travel guide. It's the essential paid/free travel guide. It's a beginner's walkthrough, and it's I wrote about a lot of the steps that I went through just in this video. So this is just one part of the segment of this ebook, and I sell it for $7 online. And what I can do for you as well is sorry, someone's just at the door right now. But what I can do for you right now is just comment on the video that you're watching us on. So on YouTube, comment your favorite travel destination, and as soon as you comment with your favorite travel destination, then I will show you a link. I'll put a link into the description. No, not in the description. I'll reply back with a link to this free PDF download. So thank you so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one.